Hi guys, Captain Nick here once again with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, Florida. Besides me today, something that you don't see very often now. A piece of inventory that is available for immediate delivery. Got a Sea Ray 320 Sundancer Outboard fresh off the Sea Ray truck, ready to go. Let's hop on board and have some fun. This particular boat is going to be the Mac Daddy of all Sea Ray 320 outboards. Instead of 2 engines, you've got 3 back here. We've got the triple white Mercury Verados, 250 horsepower each. And instead of the fake teak, beneath me, you've got real teak throughout this boat. Gives it a real rich feel. Not many options that this boat doesn't have, from the retractable awning right here, sunroof up top on the hardtop. Over here, we're actually going to have a grill option and a fridge down beneath here too, so got all the bells and whistles. For the upholstery here, we've actually selected the stone interior. It's a really nice gray color scheme. I think it looks really spectacular. Moving up here to the helm, got a co-captain's bolster right there, and of course, when you follow me up here, coming up here to the helm station, of course, we have the dual Simrad screens. Of course, the JPO, or the Mercury joystick piloting system, the best in the business, not even a close second place. Before we make our way up to the bow, of course, as traditional Sundancers, you're going to have a great area down below, perfect for a night away from the dock. Air conditioning, generator power, got all your amenities down there to sleep and be comfortable. Follow me up to the bow here. We have a side walkthrough, which of course this does create a full windshield right there. A common misconception is that when you put this bow seating up right here, you lose a lot of space down below. But as you guys see, that is not the case at all. You get the best of both worlds. I call the 320 Outboard a no compromise vessel. So what are you guys waiting for? Come on down to MarineMax St. Petersburg and find your very own vessel of freedom. I'm Nick Pavlakis. This is a Sea Ray 320 Sundancer Outboard, and let's have some fun. Bye guys.